is my living room setup. Got the scarlets there. And this used to have finches in it, but now I just open the door so the finches can fly all around the room if they want. And my little parrotlets are over here. Hey babies! There's winter and spring. And there's some scarlet chested from last year that I'm raising a little cell after they get their colors in. Yeah, why do you always put your back to me? We want to see your tummies. Let's see your tummies. See your pretty tummies. Pretty tummies. Yeah. And over here on this side there's 3 stacked cages, but only one of them has birds in it. There's a pair of linneys under that blanket there. That's Silver Bell and her mate. Get back at the back of the living room. So, here's the front door. Here's the front window covered with bird cages. And there's some other birds over there. There's my computer. Hey babies. It's really hard to take pictures of the scarlets because they're so shy. They're so shy. Come on. Can you let me take some pictures of you guys? Oh no, we're so shy. We're too shy. We're too shy. Don't like pictures. Don't like pictures. We're very shy. We're very shy.